everyone, how are you? I am Mr. Walid Samir. Today we will talk about math. Okay, we consider math is as a bird. It has two wings. This bird to fly, it must have two wings. So we have adding and in the opposite side subtracting, and we have multiplying and in the opposite side dividing. Okay, let's talk about adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing. For example, if we have 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 equals what? 2 plus 3 equals 5. Yes, this is right. 2 and 3, they got bigger. What about if we want to add 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2 equals what? Of course, 3 plus 2 equals 5 also. They got bigger. What about if we want to multiply 2 times 3? 2 times 3 equals 6. And they got bigger. And 3 by 2 equals 6. They got bigger. So here in adding and subtract so here in adding and multiplying, they are brothers. They are the same. If we replace the two numbers in adding, the result never changes. 2 plus 3 is the same as 3 plus 2. And also in multiplying, if we multiply 2 by 3, is the same as 3 times 2. Okay? And they make numbers greater. What about if we talk about subtracting and dividing? So we consider adding and multiplying brothers. What about subtracting and dividing? 3 minus 2, it means I will take 2 out of 3. So if we take 2 out of 3, it will be 1. 3 got smaller. What about if you want to subtract 2 minus 3? It doesn't go. Why? Because 2 is smaller than 3. Let's talk about division. When we divide 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Yes, it means what times 2, what times 4 equals 8, 2. So what about if we want to divide 4 by 8? This cannot be, because 4 is smaller than 8. So in subtracting and dividing make numbers smaller. And if we replace or if we change the two numbers with each others, it cannot be. It's not possible to subtract the smaller minus the greater and the smaller divided by the greater. So we can say that subtracting and dividing are brothers. Okay? Now let's talk about number. Here he is asking about 4, the greatest number, by using the given digits. So here we want to get the greatest one. So first we will write the greatest one, 8, 6, 3, and 1. And here we know that the difference between number and digits, we write the digits each one alone, and we are putting commas between each two digits. But when we write a number, we write the digits without commas. So try to do number B yourself. Yes, it will be 7,642. C, 7,540. What about if we want to form the smallest number by using the given digits? We will write the digits, we will arrange or put the digits in an order from the smallest to the greatest, such as 2, and then 5, 7, and 9. Yes. B, 1, 3, 7, and 9. C, is this right? Can we write 0 at the left? No, this is wrong. We couldn't write 0 at the left because 0 at the left have no value. So we will replace 0 with 1. It will be 1059. This is right. Why? Because zeros at the left have no value. Now add A. 4 plus 1. This is easy. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Yes. Try to solve with me. Try to solve with me. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 8 plus 1 equals, yes, 9. 1 plus 7, 8. 3 plus 0 equals 3. It means 3 plus nothing. So 3 still as we have. 4 plus 2 equals 6. B. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 1 plus 9 equals 10. And of course, this is wrong. We couldn't write 10 as we have. Why? Because we have to write first 0 and carry up 1 on 7. So we will write 0 and carry up 1 on 7. It will be 1 plus 7 plus 4 equals 1 plus 7 equals 8. 8 plus 4 equals 12. This is right. 2 and carry up 1. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 7. Yes, it will be 13. 3 and carry up 1. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 0 equals 4. And 2 plus 2 equals 4. We want to add these two numbers to each others. So we can add them to each others in this way, or we can write them in a vertical way. 1814 plus 465. And of course this is wrong. Why wrong? Because we have to write the digits under each others. We know that 4 is the ones, 1, tens, 100, 1,000. So we have to put ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds, and thousands under thousands. And then we can add, so the empty space, it's not right to be at the right. In this way, this is wrong. Why? Because 5 is ones and 1 is tens. We are talking about the place value. We will explain the value and the place value in the next video. So we have to put 5 under 4, and 6 under 1, and 4 under 8. This is right. Then we can add that. 4 plus 5 equals 9, 1 plus 6 equals 7, 8 plus 4, 12, 2, and carry up 1. 1 and 1 equals 2. Subtract when we subtract, we know that we have to start from the greatest to the smallest. So 9 minus 6, it means I will take 6 out of 9. So if we take 6 out of 9, it will be, the remainder will be 3. 5 minus 4, yes, 1. 7 minus 4 equals 3. And 5 minus 1 equals 4. 2 minus 0 equals 2. And 7 minus 2 equals 5. E. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Yes. 1 minus 4. Can we write 3? If we subtract 1 minus 4, it will be 3? No. Why? Because we couldn't take 4 out of 1. Because 1 is smaller than 4. We have to subtract the greater minus the smaller. So here we have to borrow 1 out of 7. So we cancel 3 and then take 1, 7, it will be 6. And 1, it will be not 2, it will be 11. Yes. 11 minus 4, it goes. Yes, right. 11 minus 4, 11 is greater than 4, so it will be 7. If you couldn't subtract 11 minus 4, you can count on your fingers after 4 till you reach 11. After 4, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it will be 7. 6 minus 4, it goes. 6 is smaller than 4. We can subtract the greater minus the smaller, or we can subtract the two numbers from each other. If we have the same two numbers, such as 5 minus 5, it goes. 5 minus 5 equals 0. So in each step in subtracting, we have to make sure or check that we are subtracting the greater minus the smaller. For 11 minus 4, it goes. 6 minus 4, it goes. So we have to check that we subtract the greater minus the smaller. 6 minus 4 equals 2. And 5 minus 7, it doesn't go. So in subtracting, in each step, we have to check that subtraction is possible. So 5 minus 7, this is cannot be. We will borrow 1 out of 2. It will be 1, and 5 will be 15. 15 minus 7 equals 8, and 1 minus 0 equals 1. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Now hold on your pen and try to solve these exercises with yourselves. Okay? Try to solve and then check your answers. Yes. This is very easy. 2 plus 2, yes, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 8 and 9. Yes. Number, the next exercise, B. 3 plus 5, 8. Yes, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 1 equals 8. C. Yes, try to do it yourself. So you will hold your pen or your pencil and take a paper and try to do this adding yourself, and then you can check or correct your answers. Okay, so you can pause the video and then solve it yourself and then check your answers. Okay, it will be like this: 10,011. D. Yes. Yes, good job. Excellent.
Great job!
New number.
Subtract 7 minus 5, yes, equals 2. 5 minus 4, 1. 3 minus 3, take away 3 out of 3, 0. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Yes. Try to solve. 1, 0, 2. The next, try to do this exercise yourself. 7 minus 9, yes, it's not equal to 7 minus 9. This is cannot be, because 7 is smaller than 9. So we will borrow 1 out of 5, and then 7 will be 17 and 5 will be 4. Try to do it yourself. Yes. 17 minus 9 equals 8. This is the answer. See you later. Thank you. The next video, we will talk about multiplying, and we talk about the value and the place value and what's the difference between value and place value. Thank you and goodbye.